Hello everyone. So today we'll be going to discuss about an interesting topic as what you can do to optimize your brand for ChatGPT. I know ChatGPT is one of the rising topic out there. So you can also watch our previous videos on the ChatGPT, whether ChatGPT is a Google killer or not, or what are the essential risks associated with ChatGPT and what exactly is ChatGPT. So today we will be mainly discussing on what you can do for optimizing your brand to appear on ChatGPT dialog boxes. So let us get started. So before beginning, let me give you a small brief in case if you have not watched our previous videos. I would recommend do that. So first of all, ChatGPT is one of the dialogue based AI application which uses predictive transformer based AI technology that can answer any of the given queries using a transformative technology known as Lambda 2, which have been already introduced by Google late back in 2016. Now coming straight to the topic, what you can do to optimize your brand to appear in ChatGPT. The thing is that ChatGPT is rising heavily. ChatGPT is already being used by over more than 300 million users at the time when I am making this video. So in fact, it has been estimated that they should surpass 1 billion users in the next 1 year. So with the rise and the surge in demand of the ChatGPT, it quietly becomes necessary to optimize your brand in ChatGPT as well. So even though optimizing for an AI is something which you cannot really control up to a certain extent, because normally AI learns over years of the data sets which they have been trained for. But one essential hack which you can do is to build a proper entity regarding your brand. Now the thing is that any kind of predictive transformation based AI application understands an entity and they gets all the information from an entity. So basically when their model is trained under supervised training, so they understands the entity and they learns more about the entity available in the entire corpus, in the entire field of the World Wide Web. So what all entities they comes across, then they can reassociate those entities with multiple other areas where that entity would have a relationship for, and this is how you can optimize your brand for ChatGPT. So one of the live examples which I'll be showing you here today is by having the longest form of the structured data or machine readable entity ID, which I commonly tell people as. So this is basically nothing but just piece of a longer version of a structured data which comprises of as much as information as possible about your business, such as your entity, your business information, what your business does, where your business is all about, what you actually do, and much more information. The more informations you can feed into that, the better that would be to help search engine understand your business as an entity. And if an entity is formulated, then this can later be utilized by ChatGPT to extract the information regarding your brand. Now here is the common example, as you can see from the screen, that if I have searched my brand name, it really gives some meaningful information about what we normally do, what is your specialty and where you come from. Not only this, even if we search certain queries like the best AI driven digital marketing agencies, ChatGPT shows us as one of their first preferences, because we have set up an entity such a way over the years that ChatGPT now understands us as an entity that matches its relationship with the AI driven digital marketing agency. So guys, you can do the similar thing for your brand and let me know how this goes. Thanks for watching.